Hello cooking friends. In this video I'll be showing you how to prepare and make Jamaican curry chicken because you better can cook that curry chicken. Okay, let's go. So now we've started with cleaning out the insides of the chicken. We're taking out all the bits and pieces that we don't want or need. So removing all those little intestines, those what you call innards that we don't need in our curry chicken. Comment below if you actually keep them in and if you like them. But the Jamaican way is to remove it. It's actually an offense to many Jamaicans if they get food and those bits and pieces are still in. So as we go along, we're cutting up the chicken and removing the innards, and we're also removing any excess fat and skin. You may dispose of those, or you may like to keep the fat and the skin for use in your soup. Comment below if you're a part of the zero waste movement, especially as it relates to cooking. As you can see, this is probably not the best knife for chopping up the chicken. But you use what you have. You may do. Okay, now that the chicken is all chopped up, it's time to wash, which is very important. So I've poured in my vinegar for the first wash, and then I'm going to rinse the chicken in the vinegar and water solution, drain it, and then to further cut the rawness of the chicken, I'm going to squeeze a half a lemon on the chicken, and then rinse again with some lemon water. Drain the water again from the chicken, and then I'm going to do my final rinse with just some fresh tap water. Drain again. So now that it's all washed, it's time to prep the ingredients. You see all the ingredients I'm using here. I'm gonna mash my garlic. I got my ginger paste from Walmart, so I like this line. They carry a bunch of different seasonings. So I'm using the ginger paste here. You can also get cilantro, garlic. It's really cool. So this here is lemon pepper, and then some all-purpose seasoning, and then the curry powder. Yeah, curry without the Jamaican curry powder. So we're gonna rub that all in. Add some Maggi, season it up. A little chips of salt, not a lot because the Maggi seasoning has salt. And then I'm gonna cover that up so the chicken can soak up the seasoning. Okay, so it's been soaking for a while in the seasoning, so now it's time to burn the curry in some oil. Sometimes I like to put like pieces of ginger in the oil for it to burn with the curry, but not doing that today. Just doing some Jamaican curry burnt in some vegetable oil. So I have to wait until the oil is actually good to go. It's always good to heat the pan first and then add the oil, and that cuts down the time. That way you're not overheating your oil. Just add in the curry. It's already starting to burn. And now it's time to add the chicken. Okay, so you want to make sure that the chicken is evenly placed in the pot and that you're turning them at the same time, the same amount of intervals. Okay, so now it's time to add some water. We're going to begin the cooking down process. We've already browned our chicken, so it's time to add the fresh seasoning. We're going to add some carrot, some bell peppers. I know you don't often see that, but yes, if you want to add some like color and pizzazz to your curry chicken, especially if you have guests over and you want your curry chicken to have a little bit of life, you can add different colors of bell pepper and the flavor is also nice. curry chicken is not a curry chicken without the Irish potato. So here we're going to peel and add 2 Irish potatoes. We're going to chop them up nice so that when it's served, everyone can get like a nice chunky piece of potato with their curry chicken. You know, Jamaican style, you can also add wheelers if you care to, make a dumpling dough and wheel it up fine. That also makes a nice curry chicken. Oh, and we cannot forget the good old onion. So if you want to go ahead, throw in some fresh onion or some onion powder. You need that onion. Now it's time to add some butter because you need that extra fat to make a nice thick gravy for the curry chicken that will tie the entire Jamaican curry chicken together. And here is where you add like your final touches. You throw some water in, so if you need to add a little bit more salt to balance out the flavor, you can have a little tasting apparatus to taste as you go along. And if you want to add some more Maggi seasoning, go ahead and do that. Any fresh seasonings of your choice. If you want to add some thyme, if you want to add even little sprigs of scallion or green onion, go ahead and do that. The more spice, the merrier. So now that the water is boiling, we're going to add in our cut vegetables and starches, or peppers, carrots, potatoes. Give that a nice stir. And then cover it so that it can cook. So here you have it, folks. Our curry chicken is all done and ready to be served. How good does that look? Now you can have your curry chicken with whatever you choose. You can have it with white rice. You can have it with rice and peas. Comment below what's your favorite thing to eat curry chicken with. Are you team white rice? Are you team roti? You can have it with roti. You can have it with food. Your yam and banana and your potato and your cocoa. Comment below what's your favorite thing to eat curry chicken with. Also comment below if you plan to try this recipe. I would love to know if you do. Now today I'm having it with rice and peas and a side of corn. Yum. This definitely is going to be delicious. Thanks for watching, and I will see you in the next one.